Hey guys, it's Forever Looney here, and today, let me just talk to you. We will find out how we can actually get past this COVID-19 by increasing and getting ourselves into one revenue line. Alright? So recently, I've been receiving a lot of phone call in regards to financial planning and stuff. Like there's a lot of agency out there that's been calling me, and I feel like, hey, I should make a video on this, alright? Okay, so great. Let me just share a little bit with you guys. Having another line of income is so important in every business owner mind, alright? Each time we come up with a new product, we will find another sales team to start selling them. We will find somebody to help us get another revenue of income. For example, people that are investing in real estate always invest in stocks and other different investment plans. Mutual funds, other funds and stuff like that. Alright? So today, if you don't do investment and this COVID-19 comes in, alright? This is the best scenario I can give you guys. Okay, so COVID-19 is here, a lot of people is getting retrenched. You know, a lot of jobs says that I want to retrench. More than a few 100,000 people are being retrenched in one shot. Okay? These 100 plus thousand people that has done investment definitely will have no problems in their financial environment. Reason being is because, let me just give you a scenario, okay? We have Joe here, alright? Joe. Then we have average Joe, okay? So Joe has an investment of maybe $20,000 in the bank, and it has been going on until the age of 55. While average Joe is a manager of a XYZ company, and he is earning $5,000-6,000 per month, okay, and he's enjoying life, okay, it's great. But he got retrenched. Both got retrenched at the age of 55, okay. So Joe has an investment plan, while average Joe, because he don't do any investment, he feel like investment is a waste of time. He's gonna lose money over time, this and that. He don't bother go and find out how he's able to get more revenue. He only has his pay. He only has his pay of $5,000-6,000. Imagine if he don't save, how is he gonna find money to protect himself? Joe, on the other hand, if he don't save that $3,000-4,000, at the age of 55, he's able to take out the investment funds and say that, hey, I'm trading these funds, I'm trading all these things for money, and I'm gonna pay off all my debts. So now he's debt free because he has another line of revenue. He has two lines, one from his salary, one from the annual turnover rate and the investment plan that he have that is very smooth for him. Even though he's getting back 1%, 2% for a few years, it's fine. He still have another line of income. While average Joe, he only has that $5,000-6,000 that he have per month that he's earning so much. You know, he went to buy a house, took a loan, went to buy a car, took a loan. No, his child, go to school, take a loan. Now that he's out of job, where is his income? His income stopped coming in. Now he has no money coming in. While Joe still has money coming in. He can just sell 70% of it and get the 30% to start to keep running in compound interest. And he get money assets. He get cash assets. Alright? So a lot of people, they don't understand. They hear people saying that, oh my god, my investment plan lost. I lost $10,000 in 1 year. I lose this and that, because they don't bother finding out. They don't find the right person to manage their money. They don't find the person to finance manage or finance plan. If you go into investment, through a period of time, you are definitely growing an amount of cash. But however, this requires your own supervision. For me, when I'm doing my own finance planning, I get finance planner to help me do. Every month they will send me a statistics of how the fund is doing, what are the funds that is growing. If the fund is not working well for you, I don't know, wait for it and then change it. You got to monitor it for a few months. You got to find out what is the chart going on, what is the news about this chart, how people are reflecting towards all these things. There's so much reviews out there. There are so much people talking about all these funds. You can easily find them online. If you can't trust online, ask your financial planner. If he's not able to give you the answer you want, find another financial planner. Why are you're paying money to them, right? So if you are going into investment and you feel like investment is gonna lose money, that is the way you are doing it is wrong. Okay, the way you are doing in the finance itself, the financial planning and all these things is wrong. So you got to change your method. Find people to help you invest money. At least you are getting a chance to get in money. Today, even if you are going to other places like I want to get a stable job, next time all these epidemics coming in, you will be the next on the retrenchment list, alright? Even though there is so much healthcare support out there, things like that still happens. So we will never know what is going to happen. And the chances of us getting retrenchment is maybe around 10 to 20%. Even if you say that there is no epidemic and stuff like that, there are still chances where you will get retrenched. If you don't think about getting more lines of income, more stream of revenue coming in, how are you going to sustain your daily life? How much are you going to save? Like I said, there is so much depreciation out there, there's so much inflation out there. Products are getting more expensive, okay? A bowl is getting more expensive than how they are last year. If you keep saving, how much are you going to save? Your pay doesn't increase, your whatever things doesn't increase. The only thing that increases is you getting yourself into investment and get money rolling back. Get yourself into some fund, get yourself into some dividend, get yourself into some stocks that give dividend, giving you some hard assets, hard cash. If you're just solely working on working, then you definitely make sure that you save enough money for all the mortgages, for all the loans that you have. And also at the same time, find out how much money you need for the rest of your life and then work for it. How much are you going to work? I mean, we never know where we are going to get maybe a disease, an illness, or maybe an accident and stuff like that. We never know. We never know when we will get it. If we happen to get it at a very young age, then how are we going to manage ourselves? How are we going to plan our finance? How are we going to tell ourselves that, oh, we are definitely going to get a stable job and at the end of my day, I'm able to bring out all these things. And think about it, okay? You yourself not having an assets to protect yourself, that is stupid. You need asset to protect yourself. You need something to protect yourself. What if today your child get into something and he's not able to support you for the rest of your life? You have to support the child. Where are you going to get the money from? Stable income? The fixed income that you have every single freaking day? No, you don't. You need to find ways to get revenue. That's why people are working part-time as a driver, working part-time in the firm to get more money, working 3 part-time jobs, working 5 part-time jobs, looking into day trading, looking into this and that. There are so many people trying to find more money. It's because you all don't understand how money works. You guys just feel like I can be complacent. I definitely my life will go smooth sailing like what I'm planning right now. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, when things get to you, it gets to you. You got to plan it beforehand. How is all this money gonna be? For me, if I buy insurance, how can my parents claim them? How can my loved one claim them? If I'm getting an asset, how can I get a financial planner to make it easier for my family member? How, when I just want to transfer my name over to my dad or my mom or my wife, how can I do it easily? Okay? So next time when anything happens to you that is very last minute, you can't react to situations like that. So you're able to actually pass your name to them. And all these people, that at the end of your life, that your loved one, people that you love, is able to actually have this money. Think about it. If you have a child that is 8 years old, okay, and then for some reason, you're not able to actually be there for him for maybe from the age of 13 years old, is your child able to work? Is your child able to work? It's not, right? There are some countries that have laws that say that your child must be at a certain age in order to be working. How is your family going to go in there? Your wife have to work, right? Your mom have to work at a very old age. That is where, because people don't finance plan, things happens. So my name is Forever Looney. Please like, share, let your friends know about financial planning and how it should be done young. Alright? My name is Forever Looney. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. I want to make sure that all my message get to a lot of people, because we have to protect our life. We have to protect our loved one. We have to protect many different people from this thing called money. Okay? If we are able to protect our money, we are able to protect many different things. Alright? At the same time, making sure that our family members get a secure income, get a secure assets that they can have, and how we are able to actually plan our life easier. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Alright, if you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel. Okay, share with your friends on Facebook. I'm gonna put out all these videos every social media accounts that I have. Alright, like this video, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.